Dito kakabsat mga bunsoy yan. Ito, the St. Paul Hospital and Free Public Dispensary. Once stood on this site, 1905 to 1945. Site first occupied by the Escuela Normal de Maestros, established by Royal Decree 1863. Inaugurated at the Society of Jesus 1865, then destroyed by earthquake 1880. Since then, occupied for a year by the San Carlos Seminary of the Archdiocese of Manila, 1896. Site converted to a hospital known as the St. Paul Hospital and Free Public Dispensary by the Nuns of St. Paul Chartres. 1905, administration turned over to the Maryknoll Sisters, 1926. Then to the Faculty of Medicine and Surgery of the University of Santo Tomas, 1944. Destroyed during the Second World War. Nasira siya nung gera nung World War II. Hospital pala talaga dati to. Itong compound na to is St. Paul Hospital. St. Paul Hospital pala dati to. Itong buong compound na to, St. Paul Hospital. So, nasira nung gera. St. Paul Hospital and Free Dispensary. Free hospital yan, di ba? Before the war, hospital talagang nakatayo rito. Nasira nung gera. Yan. Katabi lang siya ng Manila Cathedral. Upload videos lang kakapsat, mga punsay, St. Paul Hospital dati nakatayo rito bago ng gera. After the war, nasira. Bye bye kakapsat, mga punsay.